An open letter from Big Brother on the proper weaponization of discourse to all functionaries, loyal narrators, and approved thought leaders of the North American subdivision. It has come to our attention, regrettably through a most unapproved Atlantic article, that senior officials in your hemisphere have demonstrated a breathtaking combination of candor and carelessness. While we applaud the instinct to consolidate power through encrypted banter, we must once again stress that disclosure is only permitted when it has been properly choreographed and pre-leaked to a friendly outlet under a flattering headline. The current situation, Signalgate, as your less imaginative scribes have dubbed it, represents a failure not in security, but in spin. Let us be clear, the scandal is not the truth. It is the presence of an unlicensed witness. You allowed a journalist to lurk in a Signal group chat as if he were some common participant. Did no one ask who added the heretic? Did no one think to rename the group something innocuous like Bowling League Logistics or Grandma's Chili Recipe? Protocol exists for a reason. Let this letter serve as a primer for those among you who still struggle to differentiate leakage from legitimacy, truth from treason, and mistakes from manageable narratives. The 10 Commandments of Information Control are thus: Thou shalt not leak without a PR strategy. Information is sacred unless leaked by us. In that case, it's a clarifying moment of democratic transparency. Thou shalt redirect outrage toward the messenger. A whistleblower must never be debated, only dissected. Bonus points if they can be painted as both mentally unstable and ideologically extreme. Thou shalt confuse the public with process. If caught red-handed, convene a task force, hold a hearing, mention ongoing review, speak of procedures, never speak of the deed. Thou shalt speak of national security whenever cornered. If you cannot silence the facts, smother them under the velvet pillow of patriotism. Reckless disclosures put lives at risk, you will say. No one will ask whose. Thou shalt ensure the real issue is never the real issue. If an airstrike is exposed, focus on the means by which the meeting notes were seen. Was Signal secure? Was this a cyber breach? Who leaked? Never? Why were we striking? Thou shalt reward loyalty above competence. Do not blame the officials who spoke candidly in a group chat. Applaud their strategic alignment. Dismiss dissenters as out of step with the national mood. Thou shalt use humor to neutralize outrage. If the story reaches the comedians, you've already lost control. Embrace the meme, laugh loudly. This signals to the masses that the fire is just theater fog. Thou shalt cultivate public fatigue. Oversaturate the discourse. Flood the zone with pundits. Blur timelines. Didn't that happen last week? Is victory. Who's even involved is triumph. Thou shalt preempt scandal with scandal. When all else fails, manufacture a new controversy. A senator's offensive playlist, a TikTok ban, a balloon. The populace is a goldfish. Feed accordingly. Thou shalt never apologize, only pivot. Apologies suggest error. Pivots suggest strategy. Remember, if you explain something confidently enough, the truth becomes rude to mention. To conclude, you are not being chastised for what you said, merely for allowing it to be heard. We trust that going forward, your discretion will match your ambition. You are, after all, the stewards of reality. Guard the narrative, or be consumed by it.